Lego. Alright, man, what's up? Me and Sai, we in the building today. Monday, Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday, we rocked the show. Today's Monday, see? Starting to lose the days. We only, what, one month in? We ain't even a full month in.
United States.
Just rock this one on you, man. It's called Master Plan. Be on the lookout for that 01. Get up, stand up, woman up, man up. Fuck they master plan up. Get up, stand up, woman up, man up. Fuck they master plan up. Alright, today marks the first day, man. Our first recording. 01, our first song. Alright, we start from 0. It's the first one. First track too, on top of that, you know what I mean? Yeah, welcome to 01, the perfect civilization.
01.
Day, that's what it's all about. Is we gotta feed the babies, man. We done had our chance, you know what I'm saying? So never forget that. Y'all see us rapping, y'all see us on stage, y'all see us bragging, y'all see us boasting, but that's what we doing it for.
Walking the most honest sounding, little fish in the ocean, the pitch get twisted, the tangle, the man, the principle. The whole squad gonna keep that sweet on the album. Down, eat them all, album, keeping it the best place in the best.
What you talking about?
Friday. Cause I wanted to get the photo shoot done before February.
The photo shoot for the company profiles?
Well, yeah, she asked me for my photo shoot.
What up, your boy PX, man? It's Wednesday, sitting here with the CEO. We just checking things out on the internet, and again, I get hit my inbox on the Facebook and look what we find.
You clicking now?
Yeah. Click that. Let's see what pops up. Wow. Like that. Very nice. What's up, man? Wednesday, I'm at my Zulu brother's house, Paulie Mac, 702 Zulu, shooting a music video right now for his band Columbine. Let's go in the garage and check it out. Of course, we got the CEO in the building.
Not all the way full though, just put them like 3/4, 1 1/2.
That's Mac. That's our videographer right there. What's good with it, man?
Jay Smith been there.
What's going on right now?
Little quick little thing going on right now, you know what I'm talking about? Let's see, we just got a little something going on. Just got that location. Next location, little party scene, little smoke.
That's what's up.
Columbine.
You maintaining this shit, ain't that? Everybody with the key in the secret, rapping my highlights. So the truth of the blueprint.
Okay.
Don't you move. I'ma know. See the blunts coming back.
Hold up.
Right back to you. Leroy,
Okay.
don't you change your position.
Nah.
Last breath is what we hit. And I need to smoke
Start right here.
Yo, my Louie.
My recipe is fuck that. Speak on and stay yourself. Riches more than money, mental power is the greatest wealth. Forever prospering, ignorance ain't got to me. Even though we're innocent, you're guilty, choosing not to see what it is that's going on. Slavery through mockery. Rappers getting money, you got lucky but not stopping me. Profits don't make profit. This one is making beats that bang. Love the music, learn the lyrics, skip the message, stuck in trains. Moving minds above the average records being made. Mystery brains, and I'm here to save the fucking day. Why? Cause I'm a real MC.
With so much violence going on outside, I carry a gun just for protection. I got this female I keep on the side, and maybe one day I'll learn my lesson. Until the day I keep the sun in my eyes, driving blue lights in a section. I see my friends, they like let me ride. Hop on in and let's spread the message. It's gonna be right. And we gon' be okay. That's just to get me warmed up. I hope y'all having a good time tonight. I know the Yankees killed that shit. Everybody did. Hey, how many real motherfuckers in the house tonight? That's right, you ain't gotta say it cause you real. If you know the song, you can sing it. If you don't, download it. Hey, hey. Campfiremusic.com, baby. Come on. Okay. Hey. We real. You know we real. We make music and do what the fuck we feel. Hell yeah. We real. We real. Hey. Boomers. Check. So everyone say hello to the good guy. I just walked past him. Damn, he was so nice. I'm labeled as a bad one. Walked in the room with my anthem. Ladies checking me at the door cause I'm handsome. Nah, they security. Checking for my handgun sheets. My tongue is a sword when I speak. Slice through the night like a bamboo tree. My life is a constant test of my chi. Hey, people, come on. We real. Hey, hey. You know we real. Hey, hey.
Hey, one quick second. One quick second. Hey, I'd like to thank the Yankees for coming up in here, shut the place down. It's the first annual AMG. We're gonna do this every month. So get your crews ready. AMG is taking over. Crimson no, Las Vegas no, City no, the Yankees no. I'm telling you, we're gonna take over. So here it is. I got a February 20th Magic After Party. The mic. We got Killer Priest. We got MC Supernatural. We got special guests coming in. Want y'all all to come out, visit the website, and you already know what it is.
Y'all give it up again for the Yankees, American Monsters Guild.
What up? Throwback Thursday, man. Not much time to talk right now. Working on that Dilla project, that Dilla Rosin. Gotta get it done by next week. Next week, Friday, Detroit. Y'all stand up. Dilla Day. That's what's up. What up, man? It's your boy PX, man. Today Friday. Been working on that Dilla Rosin all day today. I'm lying. Y'all see it right there. I've been goofing off watching movies on the computer. But right now I'm about to get back into one of my favorite shows, man. Vikings on Hulu. Y'all should check that out. And then later on, jump back into that Dilla Rosin. It's his birthday, man. And it's Dilla Day next week, Friday in Detroit. Stand up. Man, we just picking up side from work.
Another day. That's how I like it.
Whatever. I do what I want.
I'm not good at doing what I don't.
Your boy PXO Future Flow, man. Yep, we back in Club Paradise.
I love it.
That's what's up. So we leaving the spot again. Make the left turn. We're gonna go over to the Hard Rock.
selling up sounds. Getting in the way. Going up the back street.
Every now and then
Super bright, right? So I can see you in the dark. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Let me get my drink, man. Rocking out. My boy DJ Scientific. Look, only these niggas know we leaving the club. Look. While we leaving the club, Patron is still.
all for one and one for all.
That's what's up, man. Body English, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can catch us here every week. Check out this boy DJ Scientific, Hot 97, Body English after hours. Get it? Not my fault we back in the strip club. Not my fault this time. Cause I wanted to come. It's his damn fault.
I'm tired of this shit. Last time they told me you weren't sucking dick here. They say you didn't give up the asshole. You gotta do all of that shit. A lot of money being made here, bitch. Stop fucking it up. She's giving up the asshole. She's giving up the asshole. Everybody's giving up the asshole but you.
So look, coming next week, have the KY or don't come in.
Exactly.
Some soft squash, goddammit.
Straight.
Dude, I smell weed.
You smell like it, huh?
Alright, we back. We about to get it in today. I don't know what me and the Chudmeister here. We got a couple of things. What we getting into today? What we fixing up? Well, we got some chicken.
Chicken, rice, potatoes.
Chicken, some rice and taters. That's it.
And,
We're not gonna barbecue today, huh?
no, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Football.
Okay, so how we gonna prepare this chicken? What you think we gonna do? And look at the pass. Look, already. Come on, Herc. Get out of here. You, hey you. Lick your lips all you want. You ain't get nothing. Lick your lips all you want, Herc. Get nothing. Anyway.
Marinate this.
Yeah.
What do you use usually? Broth?
Yeah, we needed the broth. I hope you guys got more chicken broth.
Beef and chicken.
If you have the chicken, like I think I used the last of the chicken on the last stuff that I had. Okay, cool. We just have to use that. Yeah, I guess and that's a big one. We're gonna make sure we use the whole thing. Yo, we get back at y'all later, man. We about to get busy. DJ Scientific beats and eats. So look, Chud hooked me up, man. I found the macaroni here, so we're gonna have some homemade baked macaroni and cheese. Gonna be the shit. Money, get it. Alright, so y'all know what it is. Let me explain what's going on for y'all. This is the rice. See, I had to learn how to do the portions to get it right. For the whole fam over here. We got GQ coming over later. Vegetables. I do want the kids to get their vegetables. I'm gonna show y'all what's popping in this little oven we got going on down here. Hello. Y'all see me at the bottom. I got my baked macaroni and cheese cracking off. Let me get this a little, let me just get that, give a little stir around right here to get the cheese flowing, because I let the cheese melt some. So I'm gonna get that flowing in there, melt around, and I'll let that cook on the bottom while I got that chicken on the top. Alright, yeah, I gotta cheese, get everything flowing in here, the macaroni and cheese. I know y'all hear a little one in the back. She ready to eat. That's why she's like, ah, already. She said she see the grub. She's like, I'm ready to go. Stop playing with me. Food. different type of cheese in there too. I know you asking yourself, where's the cheese at? Where the yellow cheese? Oh, it ain't all yellow. It's a different type of cheese I have in there also. And I gotta get that off. I must get that off. Alright, now my chicken. Oh, my chicken's coming out. That looks good right there, right? So we just flip that over. Get that the same way on the other side. Once I get that good up like that on the other side, then I'm gonna cut it up. Cut up the breast. That good flavor and that good sauce. Go back. Yes, sir. Beef cooked.
There's a lot of this.
Like I said, beats and eats.
This is important.
My sister
Blood, sweat, and tears
in the
aspect
house
that
now.
people have to skip or get to skip.
Got CEO in the building.
Fucking real foundation of the fucking creative.
So we have our vegetables done over here.
And without that, you see these kids that just throw it together and it's so
We got our
easy,
rice
so
done right here.
disposable, like how everything
Nice.
Everything.
Perfect rice, man.
It's on the internet for $20 each.
Mom taught me how to make rice. Rice I back up hot now.
This is gonna, that's what I mean,
Barbecue chicken.
motherfuckers like
That's
me.
how that came out looking.
You guys, like, we've been doing this shit for a long time.
And we have
I can't sell these for 500.
baked
You got
macaroni
20 of these
cheese.
motherfuckers for that price. Like, no, that's not cool.
Right there.
Talking to day, like, perfect example. Soldier Boy. Perfect example. Basement. Off of in his house, little basement with boom, boom, there it is. And all of a sudden, where he came from? He did it himself. I mean, you get himself some YouTube views up, and all of a sudden, guess what? Next hottest thing. Then it's kind of like, where are they now? Everybody's in it for the quick bang. Get out.
But see, this is the thing. In America, that's what it is. Exactly what it is. You still got artists.
I like sleeping in the booth. I don't
I
need.
know, I used to sleep. I used to sleep in the booth when I was with the round table.
Hold on, look. I show them right there, see? Y'all see my pillow right down there? That's where I sleep. Right there in the booth. That's where I belong. That's where I belong at, right there, sleeping in the booth.
The future right here and the present right now. Sound boy, my sound turned up. Mary Jane so loud to bow. Brown. Oh, one more time. Fucked up.
Okay.
I'm gonna say to the boogie boogie down.
Alright, what up today? Super Bowl Sunday, man. And y'all see me. It's early. I'm going in early. Alright, so I'm also going in today, y'all, with the fish. I got the fish here popping. I'm going in. I will also be making some deviled eggs. And I got that right there on the simmer. And we have some baked potatoes back there popping off. I'm just waiting to get the hot dogs and the burgers going.
Richmond right there.
Richmond?
Yeah.